What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change out your Jeep Wrangler JK fog lights. So right here I have my 2011 Jeep Wrangler, and one of my fog lights actually went out not too long ago. These are aftermarket LED fog lights. I'll show you guys what they look like, but one of them did end up going out, unfortunately, and it's crazy because I've only had it for about a year. But what kind of made it funny is the product that I'm actually going to replace it with. These a la LED fog lights, premium and high illumination ones. It says 1-year warranty, so I'm like, is that really the lifespan of these? But either way, they're very simple installation, basically plug and play. And unfortunately, I got these from Amazon, and Amazon, I hope you guys take care of your packages a little better than this, because I mean, come on now. But either way, these were about $27 off of Amazon. I'm going to replace both of the fog lights because I'm not sure if, for some reason, maybe they illuminate a little bit different. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace both. But I'll show you guys the one that's out. Alright, so as you guys can see, that one is a no-go right over there. So we need to go ahead and change that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this install. Alright, so first thing is, make sure both of the lights are off before you begin this installation. Go ahead and open our package, and I'll show you guys what comes inside. Alright, so here's our lights that we have right here. So, open this up. Alright, so here are our two new fog lights. So I'm going to go ahead, come under the Jeep. Thankfully, this may be one of the few installs that I don't need any tools for, so we're going to see if that holds true. Alright. Alright, so here I am under the Jeep. Here is the skid plate. That's right here, bolted on there. I really don't think you need to remove this. I know some people have in previous videos just removed this skid plate. But here are my two fog lights right here. Thankfully I have a little bit of light coming through. So literally all I'm gonna do, take my hand, squeeze these two tabs, these two black tabs on this housing, squeeze them together, and then pull out. And there's my light. Alright, and in order to remove the bulb, all I did was squeeze on this tab right here and pulled outward. So in order to put in the new one, I'm just gonna push in until I hear a slight click. Here's my new bulb. Just plugs right in. You guys can see the back. Alright, so now I have the new bulb in. So just gonna slide it back and push in. Push down on both tabs. Make sure they're all the way in. Alright, and now I'm going to do the same step to this one. Alright, so now both are installed, and just making sure everything's down nice and tight. So let's see if these bad boys work. Okay. And voila. Whew, they are nice and bright. I'll tell you that. My goodness. Easy as that. I'm really impressed. an install that took me about 5 minutes and no tools. Great job. So yeah, they're only about $27 on Amazon. Once again, product a la LED lighting. They do have a 1-year warranty, so I'll be curious to see how long these actually do last. But yeah, let's see. Premium quality, high illumination, lifespan 30,000 hours under normal conditions. These are really easy to install. I'm just so glad that both are working. First try. Never done this before, I'll be honest, so hey, it works. The one thing I forgot to mention, so as you guys can tell, these are the old LED bulbs that I had in there. So I already had aftermarket fog lights in, and ironically these are actually the same brand. They're both a la lighting. This color is a little bit different. This is like a bronze on the outside, whereas the ones I just installed have a black outer coating. So I'm not sure the lifespan of these ones, but I assume they're probably the same as these, so a 1-year warranty. So just be aware that you know, this could be the case. I do use my fog lights pretty often. Like when I'm driving during the daytime, I like to have my fog lights on, just because one, I think they kind of look cool, and two, I like to be seen no matter the circumstance, especially if it's cloudy outside. I try to have any type of light on the outside of my vehicle, so that way I'm always seen, whether I'm coming down the street or whatever. So I just like to have any type of light on. So I do use my fog lights a little more than normal. So maybe that's why one of them shorted out a little bit sooner than expected. But hopefully these new ones will last a little bit longer. But yeah, so these were the old ones, old aftermarket ones. And hopefully these new ones will last a little bit longer. But yeah, so that was a quick install guide. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, I try to do as many installation videos on my own as much as I can. Of course, I don't know everything it comes to automotive stuff, but I try to do a lot of learning on my own. But it is going to be getting colder out, so some of these installations I might have to kind of find a garage somewhere to do them in. But yeah, I try to do them myself, but thankfully that was a really easy one. So if I can do it, I certainly know you guys can. It only took me about 5 minutes, so that was really easy. And of course, if you guys have any questions about this video or about anything else, you can leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. I do try to post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.